How to make a mood board on Canva. Hello everyone, I'll be showing you two ways to do this. The first way I'll be showing you by using one of Canva mood boards template, and I'll also show you a second way how you can do it from scratch. The first thing you want to do is tap on the search bar and you're going to type in mood board. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page, and from here you'll see numerous templates that you can choose from. So all you have to do is scroll down and select a template that you would like to edit. And by the way, any one of the templates that you see that says paid, that means that you would have to be a paid subscriber on Canva to use that particular template. But there are numerous free templates that you can choose from. So let's say, for example, I want to use this template. All I have to do is tap on it. Then I'm going to select customize this template. After you have selected customize this template, you'll be redirected to a new page. And on this new page, you will see the template that you have that you can edit, as you can see right here. And from the left hand menu option, I want you to pay attention to design at the top. And you'll also see elements. And also, if you have any photos that you would like to upload, you can simply tap on upload, and from there you'll be able to upload them. So as you can see right here, this is our template example. So now let's say you want to change this photo. All you have to do is tap on the photo. Then you're going to tap on delete. And then from here, you can go over to, for example, elements. That's the second option from the top. After selecting elements, you can search for a particular photo. So let's say, for example, I want to search for a camera. I can simply type in camera, or better yet, a car. I could type in car after selecting elements. Then from here, you can see different car photos. So all I would have to do now is tap and drag the photo that I want to use. After you have done that, you're going to simply edit it. So to edit the photo, let me do that again. So let me delete that and do it again. I'll simply drag it. And I'll minimize the size. So I'll edit the size to fit into this dimension, as you can see right here. So all I have to do is simply pull it down. And you can see it right there. That's it. And also you can change the text if you want. All you have to do is tap on the text section. And all you'll have to do is highlight the entire text. So if you would like to change the text, you can. And also if you would like to change the text style, you can do that. All you have to do is go up to the top left hand corner. Then from there you can select the type of text style that you would like to use. And you can also change the font size if you want by tapping right where you will see 50 on my screen. Then from there you can select the font size that you would like to use. And you can do this to edit all of the pictures. So let's say, for example, I would like to change this photo right here. Again, all you have to do is go over to the top left hand corner and you could select elements, and from there you could search for a pic, or you could tap on uploads and you could upload a picture. Let's say I want to add this pic of the pup. All I have to do is tap and drag it, as you can see right there. And again, you can change the text section. But now if you would like to create one of your own from scratch, all I'll have to do is tap on add page. After you have selected add page, from here you are going to select elements again in the top left hand corner. Then after doing that, you're going to type in frame. So you want to type in frame. Then you're going to tap on enter. Then you're going to tap on see all. After you have selected see all, you will see different shapes and designs. And by the way, if you don't see anything that you like, you will simply tap on rectangle. Or you can tap across right here and select one. And by the way, the frames that we are selecting right here is just the box or the container that we'll be placing our photos in. As you can see right here, just like these. So first, let's say you want to add a circular one, you can simply tap on the circle and you could drag it down. And then let's say I want to add something else. Let's say, for example, this one, I can simply tap and drag it. And again, you can also minimize the size. So I can adjust the size, as you can see right there. And let's say, for example, I want to add another one. All I have to do is go down and I could select this one right here, drag it up, and I can change the size, as you can see. So you can make it smaller and you can make it bigger, and you have numerous different frame styles that you can choose from, as you can see right here. And by the way, if you have a particular shape in mind, all you have to do is type it in right in front of frame and you'll be able to search for that particular shape. And then to change the background color, all you have to do is select the entire canvas. Then you are going to tap on the color box in the top left hand corner. After tapping on the color box, you could use a color from one of the photos, or you could tap on the plus in the top left hand corner, right where you see add new. Then from here you can search for a particular color. You can see right there, and all you have to do is select the color that you would like to use. Now it's time to add images to these frames. All you have to do is tap on elements again in the top left hand corner. Then in the search bar you can search for the image that you would like to add. So let's say, for example, I want to add another car, just for example's sake. All I have to do is tap and drag it, as you can see right there. And let's say I want to add a cat. You can type in cat right here. Then after you have typed in cat, you can add any one of these. So let's say, for example, this one, scroll across, and let's say this one right here, you can add it right there. And you can add images to all of the frames, and you can select different frame style. All you have to do is type it in elements. Once you're finished, you're going to go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to select share. After selecting share, you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on download. Once you have selected download, you want to ensure that PNG is selected right below file type. Then right where you see select pages, you're going to tap right there and you are going to download individual pages. So as you can see right here, I have 2 pages. So what I would recommend you do is unselect one of the page, then you're going to tap on done. Then you'll download the first page, then you're going to go again and you're going to select the second page, and again you'll tap on done, then you'll tap on download, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.